Hello explorers, I'm back at MCM London Comic Con to see if it's returned to its best after a COVID-inhibited 2021 edition. Is it bigger? Is it smaller? What does it look like? What's here? Let's go find out. Joining me today and helping out on camera duties, it's Explorer Dave. In 2021, we were lucky to even have a Comic Con. It's 2022 now, so that's last year. We're interested in this weekend. We're here all weekend. We're going to be seeing all the cosplay, finding out what's here, checking out the exhibitors, the stalls, doing some shopping. Just done my first purchase, official lanyard, £10, Spring River is the design. An expanded feature this time round are the MCM community groups, fan-run groups that do set and prop builds. There's Star Wars, Steampunk, Stranger Things, Doctor Who, lots of different cool stuff. Let's go and explore those because they look really impressive. The rumour is that they initially declined to have the Monster Machine set prop build of Stranger Things here, and then they must have looked at the calendar and realised that season 4 of Stranger Things is out this weekend and had a mad panic and got them to come back. So yeah, let's check out their display. It was one of the characters, I think pre-recorded from the show, just yelling at, basically yelling at me. So not very nice, don't answer that vote. Good so far. The North Hall is packed with all sorts of different vendors. It's a really great mix of different things to buy and look at, and you've got the MCM community stands, which, as you've seen, really fantastic. But are you here? What are you really enjoying? What would you say your highlights are? Let me know below. In 2021, the Exhibitor Tour was probably the most disappointing. There's a lot of empty space, not many big name exhibitors, and also you had the stinking Lush stand, which fortunately seems to no longer be here. But let's go see what is here instead. There's a Paramount stand promoting Halo, the TV show. You can watch the first episode. Probably not going to bother with that. Bandai here selling a whole bunch of cool toys. There's not that much to the stand though, unfortunately. The winner of the weekend's popularity competition is the Genshin Impact stand. I've never played that game, but it seems like there's piles and piles of people that are queuing to get, as far as I can tell, a paper bag with a bunch of flyers or postcards in. Must be really exciting, must be a good game. time on a Saturday and the whole building's packed out, and I stupidly didn't bring a sandwich with me. Really busy. There's lots of space in theory. Like, all the aisles are quite wide, so it's easier to get around. It's very chaotic right now, and I'm starving. Second purchase. The celebrity area looks like a great big empty space. I can assure you though, when the celebrities were in, it was absolutely packed out here. It was totally chock-a-block. Waiting for the celebrity guest announcements left me pulling my mighty flowing mane of hair out. The majority of big names weren't announced till the final week, 2 weeks before. This weekend I have been going to the panels, which on the whole have been fantastic. I watched some wrestlers, watched Robert Sheehan, Sneakerheads, the new comedy. Really good weekend for panels. '21 was a much smaller event than this, so it's a really good return to form. It's much bigger, much more to see and do. I'd say the thing that it's missing is there's no show guide, so there's going to be a big gaping hole in my collection of show guides, and there wasn't a dedicated American sweet stand, so disappointing for you guys. No food review, sorry about that. But on the whole, very good. What have you thought of this? How do you think it compares to 2021's event? Better, worse? What did you like? What didn't you like? Say below. Alright, explorers, I have recently made friends with another YouTube channel, and this is my good friend James, and he's going to tell you what he gets up to.
Yeah, so James from How to Game Differently here, do very similar stuff to Richard. Yeah, so I do a lot of conventions, filming, showcases of different nerdy stuff around the UK, interviews with various different people, talk about video game stuff, discussions, all the fun stuff that you like to see on YouTube, eh?
Okay, so check out his channel, it's really good. Say hello to him in his comments, say hello to me.
Yeah, definitely, yeah. So we're both doing an MCM video at the moment, so if you see anything on his channel and that, click like, subscribe to this man, because he's very good, better than me, so I'm learning from him. But yeah, come over and check me out on How to Game Differently.
Thanks, explorers, see you soon.